Okay.
Hello! Today is December 17th for us and you.
That's right. And if you want to watch these every day at maybe 10 a.m. Central Time, then be sure to slap that subscribe button and be sure to ding the bell.
This series is an advent calendar series we invented last year. Well, we didn't invent it, but we started doing it last year. We open up a compartment every day. In every compartment, there are 5 gifts for each of our mothers and fathers, 5 children. Micah, me, Emma, Jonah, and Luca, who I don't know where.
He's in there.
So it's time to open up day number 17.
That's right.
Let's get into it. Yeah, how are we supposed to take this out?
It's one way.
How many teams does it take to get a box out of the
Yeah,
attic?
it's very difficult to make it
Yay,
not.
it was a real challenge.
You gotta get the engineering students to get it out.
Micah, you see, you can't not play.
Micah's helping.
Really good job.
You guys are doing it all
watch
wrong.
this.
It does the
Makes
same
sense,
exact thing we
Father.
are.
Oh!
Yay! Show.
Yeah! My size potty.
This
Too big a size of potty to fit in the compartment.
This is for Micah, if it's not obvious. This isn't from any brand, it's from our parents. We opened it.
Well,
Alright, so we got a full toilet right here.
Oh, look at that, Micah!
it's an entire toilet.
Or
Yeah,
yes,
but there's
Noah.
no like pump inside here.
Yeah, it's
So
not
this
a
is
real
gonna-
toilet,
this is
it's
Store
gonna
books in
collapse.
there.
You pee in it and then they clean it out. Where am I?
Have a seat, girl.
Wow!
He
Nice.
just struggled to sit on it.
Nice.
Bruh.
Now flush it. Show the flush.
You know, did that scissors actually cut anything?
Yay, Micah, look at him go.
No, don't do it, no!
Yeah.
No!
Go.
No!
Go.
No!
Go.
No!
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 Stop
No!
This is what you're supposed to do.
Yeah,
Stop
but this
it.
is literally we're
Okay, go
on
put it in the
camera.
bathroom.
We're
Go put it
gonna
in the
get
bathroom.
We have
demonetized.
to blur it.
Let's go put it in the bathroom.
There might have to be some blurring, Mom.
Micah, you're doing it right. They're
Yay,
just, I don't know
Micah.
why they're yelling now.
We're gonna get demonetized.
That's fine.
Yeah, we can't do that. This is on.
We'll blur it.
video.
We can't film that, we're gonna get demonetized.
So while Micah pees on the floor, we're gonna open up more gifts.
Yes. All right, let's see what else is in the
Alright! What a video, alright? Okay, we also have a potty watch, the toilet training timer that makes potty training fun and easy. Let your little ones know when it's time to go. He's bringing it in here so they can pee in here. On our
He
carpet.
wants to pee
Oh,
with
no,
us.
you broke the back off your toilet. Oh, yes, your toilet.
Well, this is a watch that lets your kid know when it's time to go.
That's
It's
right.
from our parents, not from the brand. So, Micah says thanks. Alright, now it's time to open up Luca's stuff. We got a lot of these brain builders.
Brain
This thing
building.
is the magic reflection
Mike, are you
ball.
ready to build your brain?
This is a educational Eddie Rattle, and this is a baby newspaper.
This is a like a pacifier.
And these are all from Brain Builders, so thank you to Brain Builders for
Thank
the
you,
free
Brain
product-
Builders.
For the free product.
That's
Yeah.
right.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, isn't Micah too old for a
These are
pacifier?
for Luca.
Oh, okay.
Micah, those are for Luca.
Hey, Jonah, what are
Something.
These are softer than brittle snacks. So thank you to Softer Than Brittle for the free product.
There's a lot of nuts in
Try
here.
it.
Yum yum. We got cashew. We got bite-sized peanut snack with pecans.
Bite-sized peanut snack with almonds and bite-sized peanut snack.
Why am I not?
All right, let's try it each one.
Here we
You were doing that. Wow.
Let's go ahead and give these beautiful treaties treats a try.
Where might you go?
Looks like I got butterfingers, but crunchy.
Yeah.
It is good, except for that I can't eat it because I have braces.
It reminds me of a peanut butter candy snack, and it's very good. I'd eat this whole bag.
Yeah, it was pretty good. I got bite-sized peanut snack with almonds.
Thank you, Softer Than Brittle, for the free product. We really appreciate it, and they're really good treats.
That's it for
Some very good
episode 17. Uploaded late, but tomorrow it will be uploaded late.
Probably late again.
So, subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever we upload it at 5 p.m.
And if you like these videos, be sure to slap that like button as hard as you can.
It's not 5 p.m. right now. It's more like 8
I
or
said,
7.
I don't know, this will probably be uploaded at 10.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
See you next time. Sayonara!